The Container Cube is a non-WCA puzzle produced by Moyu that costs $3.85 on CubeZZ, which is £3. In this video, I will discuss whether or not this cube is good, and whether it's worth buying. The cube turns pretty well, although it does lock up sometimes, as it is confusing as to when each turn is lined up. However, this is not really a hardware problem, just a quirk of the cube. The plastic has a kind of glossy texture, which makes it seem pretty cheap and low quality, which it probably is considering the price, but the turning's still good. It is a weird size and shape. The cross section is a bit larger than a 2x2 and a bit smaller than a 3x3, and then it's a bit longer than a 4x4. Here it is compared to a 2x2 and a 3x3. The cube solves just like a skewb. The corners of the skewb are the triangle pieces connected to the white and yellow centres, and the centres of the skewb are the white and yellow pieces, and the pieces with two colours. There is also a parity-like case, where a centre is the wrong way round once everything else is solved. This can be solved by holding that centre on the top, doing a sledgehammer, turning 180 degrees, doing two sledgehammers, turning 180 degrees again, and then doing another sledgehammer. The solve is quite interesting, despite just being a skewb solve. I really like the shape-shifting aspect of the solve, and this gives it an edge over just a basic shape mod. Most shape-shifting cubes are really hard. The Container Cube is not really that hard. It still has the benefit of being more interesting due to the shape-shifting, but it does not make it super difficult to solve, which can discourage people from scrambling it or learning how to solve it. Overall, I would definitely recommend this cube for basically everyone. It is very cheap, and it's also a very fun, interesting solve with some nice basic shape-shifting. It turns surprisingly well for a cube this price, and is a unique but still relatively simple cube. If you are looking for a new non-WCA puzzle, I would definitely recommend picking this up.